Not only will I triple text someone if I feel like it, I'm gonna tell them every single thing that's happening in here. If I feel like they burnt me at the stake in the 1600s and now I'm coming back into their life as karma, I'm gonna tell them that. If I read something and I think it's interesting or shocking, they didn't answer me yet, I don't care. I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna tell them. The thing is, what's yours will not leave. It will actually be the most attracted to you when you're just being your authentic self, whatever that looks like. I don't get too worried about rules when it comes to dating because I simply am the law. And what's mine will find me when I find myself and broadcast that frequency.